Yes, so Oga Madam, how on a day? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, forever on a day. This na NaijaEconomyGist where they try tell you wetin our government they do and wetin CBN they do, and when they try they shalaye how we they affect our pocket. I'll be your guy, Dr. Tove. And for today episode, we're going to talk about motor. Yes, motor car, very little motor car. Yes, that same motor way they use they carry your family, your mama and family they go church. The same motor way they use they do flexing for street. That same motor, yes, that's what we're going to talk about today. You don't notice say people know they buy car like that again. When be the last time where you see say people can't dedicate car for church? When be the last time where you see better second-hand motor for street? In the hard, Abi? Yes. So it just be like say all the better motor don't disappear, Abi. Now wetin we going to discuss today, now wetin we dey yarn about today. According to the news where I read, motor importation, vehicle importation, as you they call them, don't drop by 65.8%. 65.8%. Madam, it may say if last year 100 motor enter Naija, this year now only 34 enter. Now that kind of big drop be that. Okay. Now you know say before people go Cotonou, go buy Tokunbo car, they go bring enter Naija, they'll just they drive and they go. No, nobody go stop you, nobody go hold you. Well, nowadays things don't change. You know if you just buy motor, just they drive anyhow again because everything else scatter. Igboro to Daru, as they say. And one of the main reasons, obviously, now our economy done hard. Money no dey circulate like before again. Remember that your neighbor would always buy car every year. I get one guy like that. Would always buy car every year. But now, he not stop to the buy car. The last one we buy 2 years ago, now there he stop. And he get some people who buy car before, now they don't sell the car, don't they track the use bus like many people. Right, that one because they say the middle class don't they disappear. Now for any country where they spoil, where don't they rough, they rugged down like Nigeria they do right now. One of the things where they happen is say the middle class could disappear. And waiting be middle class. Middle class now people that they call I pass my neighbor. Right? Middle class now those people who not too rich, they're not too poor. They get small change for pockets, they feel buy a little small enjoyment, but themselves don't they enter struggling class. Now, fuel price done the humble person as well. Because fuel price they high, people know just feel maintain their car again. And no person will never recharge in battery. Car battery don't spoil for almost 2 months. You no go recharge that battery again for a long period of time. Sorry to talk about you, my guy. But basically, fuel price, the humble people, the price of food every time they climb, they high. If I say they climb Mount Everest. Right, these things they affect people normally, and salary no they increase. So who go buy motor? Now ghost. And then our custom people no they even help matter. Custom just be like landlord as well, where they increase rent every month. If you import car come Naija, you guys pay custom duty, and waiting be duty na that tax where they pay to bring something enter Naija. So for our own too much. And the reason why customs say that they charge all those very high duty now because them they say they won't try and make money for government, but then they kill business. Imagine say you won't buy motor wey cost 3 million naira, and to bring that Tokunbo motor for 3 million naira enter Naija, you guys pay a custom duty for another 3 million naira. Shey you go buy am? If you say yes, now lie, you they lie. Or be yahoo boy. Okay. Now, because of this custom duty, people no want import car again. People don't want buy second-hand car again because waiting with the point. They might as well use Nigerian use before you see Belgium use, American use, all those one now because of custom duty. Those kind cars know they enter Nigeria road again, and even the ones we even enter Nigeria road, we don't fear for them. So waiting all this one mean for me and for you. For those who don't get motor, it means say it go hard for you to buy motor. You guys start to save money, very plenty money to buy car. And for those who don't get motor, where they look to change their motor, just know say price don't decline. Price and it will continue to decline unless things change. And if you get motor right now, I beg hold them tight. Manage your thing because motor be like gold. Okay? Things no easy. And for the economy, what it mean for the economy? It means say businesses go continue to suffer because you know if you run business without motor, and if it's expensive to buy a motor, it go dey hard to run your business. Vicious cycle. So make our government find better way to solve the problem, or because if they don't solve the problem, your guess dey as good as mine. So may they try do things for businesses to grow. So make una dey talk, make una hold una leaders accountable. No dey fall for the hokey dokey. No dey fall for all of this fake news wey they drop. All these Natasha people they fight for this government say this, Soludo won't do that. Make una hold una people accountable, because now money now be the main thing. No dey fall for very dark man and all of in distractions. Okay, read una newspaper, ask questions. Now be the main thing. All right. I beg, make una help us like this video, make una subscribe to the channel if I never do them yet, and make una help us share to our friends and family members, make them know what they go on for Naija. I beg, tell them to subscribe as well, so that we're going to build this community they go, and make una follow up for social media. I never today active for yet, I still try to build them. Okay, and NaijaEconomyGist for every platform. I beg, make una follow us. If na TikTok you get, follow us for there. If na Instagram you get, follow us for there. Make una help us, they repost the clips where we post for there as well. God go bless una. Thank you. Well, until the next time, make una stay safe. Make una remember to the hustle, and make una remember say sakpa no dey kill person, but they make person they think. This is the NaijaEconomyGist. Oh yeah, bye bye.